Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I hope your week is off to an amazing start, and I hope everybody is in good health. So today you guys are going to be tackling my family room area. I'm going to be doing a little bit of light cleaning in this area, and I'm also going to be decorating it for summer by adding a little pop of color in this space as well. So if you're a returning subscriber, then hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Trina. I share all kinds of home decor inspiration as well as some lifestyle videos and cleaning videos. So if you're interested in those things, I would love to have you stay and subscribe and become part of our decorating family here, and by hitting that red subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so that you won't miss any of my uploads. And if you guys enjoy this video, please make sure you give me a big thumbs up and comment down below as well. It really helps out my channel a lot. So okay you guys, so let's get into this video. Okay, you guys, as you can see in the previous clip, I just went ahead and took my Shark vacuum and I went ahead and vacuumed up my sofa. I just like to make sure I take that vacuum and get all of the crumbs and everything out of there really good. And now I'm just taking the vacuum and going ahead and vacuuming up my rug and making sure everything is vacuumed up and all the food and crumbs are off the floor. I love this vacuum cleaner because it can turn into a handheld, so you can take it apart and use it on your upholstery and everything like that. So I do love that about this vacuum, and it's really lightweight and easy to use. Now I'm going to be decorating this space for spring, well not spring, for summer. So I'm going to be decorating by adding pops of color, pops of purple to this space. Purple is my favorite color, so I already had that stuff on hand, so I figured that I'll go ahead and add it to this room and use that as my summer color. So right now I'm just adding this Caldrea room freshener, is in the Pear Blossom scent, and I'm just going to spray that on the sofa and on the curtains just to give everything a fresh, airy smell. Now to start, I'm going to add these pillows here. These are the Odin pillows. I got these from Z Gallery, and I'm going to add that to the sofa as well. But also going to take my Scotchgard and I'm going to put a couple layers of Scotchgard on these pillows as well. So here's the Scotchgard, and this stuff works really good, you guys. You can pick this up at Walmart, Home Depot, any of those places like that, and it really does help protect your fabrics from any stains and spills and anything like that. So since this is a high traffic area, I'm just going to make sure I put a couple of coats of the Scotchgard on these pillows. That way, if they get any stains or anything on it, it'll just easily be able to wipe up without damaging the cushions. Then I'm also going to be adding these beautiful pillows here. I shared this in a recent haul. I got these from the At Home store, and this is the name of the pillows right here. I think it's Casa Decor pillows. They are feather filled, and I really do love these. These were actually $19.99 at the At Home store. I remember I told you guys that I was trying to find 4, but I didn't find 4 pillows. I'll end up only finding 2. So I'm still on a hunt for the other 2, but I'm just going to go ahead and add the Scotchgard spray to these pillows as well. Now, if you guys have been with me for a while, you guys know I love my neutral colors, but I do like to add a pop of color sometime to my space, especially during the different seasons, especially more during fall and Christmas, and as well as spring and summer too. But an easy way I like to do it is just by adding and using pops of color with my throw pillows, or a nice colorful throw, but I really do it with my florals as well. I think those are the 3 easiest ways to add a pop of color to your space without changing out your whole decor. Okay, you guys, so I'm also going to add in these pillows here. I picked these up from Z Gallery as well, and it has that fur feel to it. And I forget the name of these pillows, but I'll have all the pillows and everything linked down in the description box below, so that way you'll be able to access them really easily. And all these pillows, when I did buy them, they were on sale at Z Gallery, so I would definitely recommend waiting till they have a sale, because these pillows always end up going on sale, so you don't have to pay full price for them. But I have all that linked down in the description box below. Now my area rug, I end up picking this up from Wayfair, and I have that link down in the description box below as well. Now this rug is stain resistant. You can use it as an indoor outdoor rug, but I'm using it indoors here. I really do love it. I love the design pattern on it. It's like a cream and gray, and it just works really well for my family in this space, because if you spill anything on it, it comes up immediately and it doesn't leave any stains. And believe me, we have spilled soda, juice, everything on this rug, and it comes up without no marks or anything being on your rug. So I definitely would recommend this rug as well. And now I'm just going to add in this beautiful luxurious throw here. I found this throw at Z Gallery. It's the Oslo throw. I love it because it's so soft and plush, and it's in that deep plum purple color as well. It looks black on the camera, but it definitely is purple, and I'll have that link in the description box as well. Now I'm gonna just use this sprayway, and I'm gonna clean off this little coffee table here. It's just a little coffee table. I ended up picking up this table from Amazon, and I love this table, but we are on the hunt for a nice ottoman to go in this space, because my husband wants something where he can prop his feet up and everything when you come home from work, just a little bit more relaxing feel. So we definitely are on a hunt for an ottoman. The one that I want is been out of stock for at least a few months now, so I've been watching it, trying to hope that it comes back in stock soon so that we can add that to the space. But this little coffee table, it works for this space for now. I got it from Amazon, and it just has an acrylic top and then like a chrome base. So now I'm going to add these coffee table books, and I got this purple book. It's just that these are all interior design books, and I got them all from Amazon, very affordable, so I'll have those linked in the description box as well. And then this is another one, the Inspired Home. And then I like to decorate my coffee table books in sets of 3. It just seems like it balances a little bit more, a little bit better to me. And then the final book I'm gonna add is called Mrs. O, which is like the face of democracy, which is Michelle Obama's book. And it's basically a book about her fashion and everything while she was in the White House. So this is a really, really good read. So I'm gonna add that to the coffee table as well. Next, I'm going to add in this beautiful white and silver tray here. I found this at Home Goods, I believe a few months ago. I just love the beading and everything that it has around there, and I love the handles that it has on it. Just a small little simple tray. You can use this in the kitchen. You can use it anywhere. I was really trying to find I know they have a matching bowl that I've seen people haul and everything, but I haven't found the bowl. I just found the tray. So I'm just going to use this here just to set some nice florals and everything on it. And I believe it was I can't remember if it was $9.99 or $14.99. I can't remember how much it was, but it was very inexpensive. Next, I'm going to add in this beautiful white and silver vase here to the tray. And I got this vase from Burlington, I believe last year. And then next I'm going to add in a pop of some florals and this beautiful purple color as well. Michael's has all of their spring and summer florals on sale at like 70% off. So all these little hydrangeas, I forget what this little branch is called there, that little light purple branch, but the bigger ones are hydrangeas, and those were on sale for like 75 cents each. So that was a really good deal. So I bought a bunch of those florals, and I love adding a pop of color with florals because it just adds a nice little soft touch to the space. So I'm just creating a quick little arrangement here just to add a nice little centerpiece to the table. Now, I don't want to put too much on this table because, like I said, we do live in this space. We hang out in this space all the time. So I just want to put stuff where I can easily just pick it up and move it to the side without it being in the way. So next to the tray, I'm going to create another little small arrangement in this cute little candle holder here. And I'm just going to add in these beautiful florals as well. I actually picked these up from Michael's as well. These were on clearance for $3 for the little bunch. And I just really thought that it would make a nice, pretty summer floral arrangement. So I'm just bending all the branches down and adding it to this cute little candle holder, just to add another little small floral arrangement as well to the tray. Now my stems on my florals, I always try to bend them. That way, if you need to use it for a different vase, you don't have to worry about it being broken or anything like that. Next, I'm going to add in this candle holder, just a white simple candle holder. I picked this up from the At Home store, and then I'm just going to use this to put my Bath & Body Works candle in. And then the candle that I'm burning in this space is fresh lilac. I love this, just smells like fresh cut flowers. So I'm gonna use that, and I'm gonna add it to this candle holder as well. Now, if you guys have been with me for a while, you probably noticed that this room looks a little different, because before it was like a cream kind of off-white color. So I definitely been making my way with updating the paint in my house. So this is the same color as in the living room, is that silver bullet. As you can see, it looks a little bit different in here because this room is not a whole lot of light on this side of the house, but that's fine for us. We love it how it is. But yeah, I just think everything just kind of flows a lot better now that I have all the walls that one uniform color. And then this is the final look, you guys. I love how it has turned out. Very simple, but it gives me that little pop of summer to the space. Okay, you guys, so next I'm going to go ahead and clean off my little side table here. And I'm just going to use that same glass cleaner sprayway. I love this little mirrored table. It is mirrored on all the sides, and it does have a little drawer where you can kind of store things in it. So I use it to store remotes and all that stuff in this drawer as well. And I picked up this little side table from Wayfair, so I'll have this link in the description box below as well. The lamp I actually picked up from Home Goods. I only got one side table in this space because the sectional is so large. It just seemed like it'd be too crowded to me if I put two actual side tables on each side. So the one side table and the one lamp works perfectly fine for us in this space. So next I'm going to go ahead and add this little ginger jar here, and I'm going to use this to create a nice floral arrangement. I'm going to add these little cute Amazon florals to the jar as well. And these are like some purple lilies. And then I'm also going to pair this with another of those florals from Michael's. And then this is what everything is looking like, you guys. I really do love how this little arrangement has turned out. If you guys are enjoying this video, please give me a big thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, I would love to have you stay and subscribe and become part of our decorating family here. So please don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. And then this is what this space is looking like so far, you guys. I really do love how everything has turned out. Now next I'm just going to use this sprayway and clean off my fireplace here. I'm just going to go ahead and take a microfiber rag and just kind of wipe it down, make sure all the dust and everything is wiped off. And then this fireplace is actually a wall-mounted fireplace insert that we picked up from Amazon. If you guys are interested in that as well, I'll link it down in the description box below. And then there's this whole fireplace wall, what do you call it, insert or whatever. My husband actually had put that together. And I don't know what is going on with this TV or what's on this channel. I just turned the TV on because I'm actually talking to my sister on the phone. We haven't talked to each other or seen each other that much since the quarantine. So I'm talking to her as I'm doing this cleaning video and everything. So this TV is just playing in the background just for, I guess, noise. So I don't know what this is on the screen here. But I guess it's some type of funniest videos or something like that that's on this channel. So next I'm just going ahead and I'm just mopping my floor, and then sometimes I use my steamer, and then sometimes I use this little easy mop thing here, or like this little Swiffer mop here. So sometimes when it's because it is a high traffic area, like I do like to steam it a few times a week, but then in between I'll just take the Swiffer mop and just go ahead and put the mop pad on and mop everything up. And just especially when I'm short on time and I just want to hurry up and just get it done, I'll just bust out this little Swiffer. And then the style above my fireplace, I'm just going to use my Bella vases from Z Gallery. And then these little floral things I got from Z Gallery as well. They were on clearance. I don't even think they carry these anymore. But if they do, if I can find it linked in if I can find a link, I'll link it down below. But I got the vase and the florals from Z Gallery. And then this is what this space is looking like, you guys. Okay, so I always like to add some type of vignette or something like that to my kitchen island. So I'm going to be creating the same floral arrangement that I created on the coffee table, except I'm going to be using these large sprigs here. I'm going to start off with these large sprigs. I don't even know what these are called. I'm sorry, you guys. They just say floral stems on the Michael ticket, or the Michael tag. So I'm just going to start off by adding these larger pieces in here first, just to kind of in a triangle kind of effect, just to give the vase some nice height, give the arrangement some nice height. So that's what you see me doing here, is just adding those larger sprigs in first. Then next I'm going to add these almost kind of look like lilies. I could be wrong, but I'm going to add those in there as well, just to add some different textures and different design to the arrangement. And I think those larger sprigs were $3, and then these other little deep purple ones I think were $3 as well. And then the hydrangeas, like I told you guys, they were 75 cents. And then this vase I actually picked up from Michael's a few years ago. It's just like a simple white cylinder vase. And then now I'm just going to add in those purple hydrangeas. And then this is what everything is looking like, you guys. And I'm also going to burn a candle in this space too. And then this is just this is called Golden Amber, and I got this from a local grocery store here. So and then the candle holder that is sitting in, I actually picked that up from Home Goods. And then that little white marble tray is just a marble slab that I end up picking that up from Ross. And I just kind of use it as a tray for this island here, because my island is made of wood, it's butcher blocks. So I always try to add a nice little clean white marble tray or silver tray, just to kind of add some different textures to the space. So this is everything, what it's looking like, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.